It's been a year now since I have made this automatic water feeder for my chickens, and I can see with the sun and heat they're really beat up, and also my bucket is cracked, so it started leaking. So time to make a new water feeder for my chickens. So we're gonna make it like this. Now let's start. How are we gonna make it? First, we're gonna use this bucket and make some holes to install these cups. According to the cup, this thread size, we're gonna make a hole. So I have a little drill bit. It's called a extender. I'm gonna use this one to make a couple holes where I'm gonna install my cups. I have already tape here so it doesn't go far, and the cup also need to be stay above the ground. If it touch the ground, the water gonna keep leaking. So I'm gonna make a hole here. At this point, I'm gonna test if this will go. You don't wanna have it loose. You don't need it like really tight. You're gonna damage thread on the cup. Here, done. I'm gonna put 3 cups here, one side. Make another one here. Two, one more. So at this bucket, I'm gonna install only 3 cups. So I made 3 holes. Now for the cups, holes are ready. Okay, now next part to fill automatically this bucket. So you don't have to be fill by hand. So I'm going to use this little mini floor switch. You can buy from Home Depot. Lowe's, cost about like $6-7. This one also used for swamp coolers, to fill the swamp coolers with water. 1/4-inch drip hose will go here, and I have a little things on. The copper piece will hold the 1/4-inch hose inside really tight, and the nut to hold this piece to the bucket. So now we can also make a hole according to this. This is exactly same size we have for the cup, a little bit bigger. So now I'm gonna make a hole for this one. So let's see where it's gonna fit. I'm gonna keep around here. Gonna make a hole here. So I will make sure this one go through. Now I have to open a little more. Okay, here now. Perfect. For this one, we're gonna put this rubber gasket inside here, and there's a thin nut goes outside. And you can use any available tools you have it to tie this one. For automatic water filling hose, we have a connected valve already to the bucket. Now time to connect the hose. I have a 1/4-inch that hose. I'm gonna try to use this one, goes on the top, and I have a little compression fitting. It will go in. You're gonna leave about like inch. We're gonna fill all the way here. So as you see it go all the way, you're gonna put it like this and start tightening, and will fit perfectly. You can also use for copper and plastic. So we just need to make sure there's not a tight. We'll double check later when we're gonna connect the water if there's any leakage or anything. So tight. That's all. So now the next part you don't have to do it. Since I have 2 chicken coops, I'm going to use same bucket. For the other ones, I'm gonna make another hole here and connect the 1/2-inch pipe, which will go to the other side, and then other side I'm going to use those T's and a 1/2-inch hose to hold those cups. To connect the water hose to the bucket, I'm going to use this piece. I have 2 rubber pieces here, and it will go like this. To make a hole, I'm gonna use this plastic piece to test. I'm not making a bigger hole. So I made a hole. I'm gonna try to go through. So it's like slightly 1/2 inch. I don't want to make a bigger hole, I will use this one. So now I'm gonna make a 1/2 inch hole here. This piece. No, thread it, but I'm still going to put this piece inside. We're gonna tie it really good. Next one, we have to glue this piece. Quick disconnect just in case if we have to remove this bucket to clean up. We can remove from here to the rest piece will be glued. There's not gonna be that much pressure. We don't need it, but still, I want to put some glue to make a good connections. While like pulling or pushing, it will not come out. So that's all. So one day if I have to remove this bucket to clean up, I can undo from here and this bucket will be disconnected. I'll leave it like that. So actually I have changed my mind to connecting this piece here because I don't know how long that piece I need to go across. So I'm going to make a 4 cup length piece for the other baby chickens. For this one I'm gonna glue. So I have to make sure all are like straight. Those cups have a float switch and it's not a big deal if you have a little bit off, but just try to make a straight as much we can. They look nice. That's all. One side I'm gonna put L and turn to here. Another side will be the end cap. So now it's pretty dark outside. I will finish tomorrow and it will look like this. I have this bucket. This bucket will filled with water and this float switch gonna control. We will manage by bending this wire. We're gonna go high or low. And we're gonna have a 3 cup this side for one side chicken. And other side we're gonna have a this side connection. This piece of pipe gonna cross to the other side. And we're gonna install 4 cup. So here I brought everything in my coop and I have secured this this side 4 cup length PVC pipe here to my coop. I use those clamps and I have a 4 cups here already filled. The system already working. And in my last video I showed you my mister system. I have automatic water turn on and off. So I got the T. I connected that water filling hose. 1/4 inch hose go to the bucket here. I'm gonna go other side here. The rest of the part I had to cut this piece accordingly, and I didn't glue this piece. Let's go to the other side and walk through how the system is working now. So from this side, if you can see that 4 cup PVC pipe from the other coop coming this way crossing to the screen, and it's a 1/2 inch PVC pipe. I pushed in and I didn't glue because I would just want to test it, but after that I tested it didn't leak anymore, so I will not glue. We don't have to glue none of the piece, but I did some. If I have to disconnect this bucket to clean in future, I can remove from here, or I can remove this joint. It will be disconnected. I will clean bucket and put it back. As the water fillings, you can see I have a little 1/4 inch hose connected to the misting system. Anytime misting system gonna turn on, first water gonna flow in the bucket. This whole bucket took 15 minutes to fill, but now it's already full. Maybe you need a little water every day. So as soon as water gonna be set to this level, this flow switch gonna go up. It's gonna start water, then water will flow to the misting system. So I don't have to fill this bucket all the time. I can have a float this water. I can make this water go up, but I don't want to be making like any leakage from here, so I don't need to worry about it. So now that much water gonna be always here. And have a 3 cup this side for the chickens. This cup is overfilling. I have to change it, but it's not dripping anymore. But I think overfilling is just chances. If cup spin, then water gonna keep leaking. The bucket gonna be empty quick. So the system working perfect. In the future, I think I'm gonna extend this pipe straight out over there, And from my coop, I'm gonna save the rainwater. Rainwater will go in a bucket. So anytime I have rain, I will save water, so I don't have to be filled from my water either. So that's the future. But right now, the system as is working perfect, great. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with a new topic.